We looked at the first three stages in the birth of any startup. They were learning, validating, and building. Let's now go to the next stage, which is the growing stage. What do you mean by growing stage? The growing stage is the stage where an organization transits from being experimental, from testing, into actually becoming a legitimate business. In fact, when you move from building to growing, this is really where you become an actual business. This is where you become a viable business. And in the growing stage, you are growing your revenues, you're growing your market. And this is where your product, organization, and team actually become market ready and start growing revenues and start building sales and start growing market share. And in the growing stage, you're beginning to get consistent and predictable revenues. That is another important attribute that separates the growing stage from the building stage. It is the consistency of revenue. And in the growing stage, what you also need is this. You need capital. And in this growing stage, you secure capital from venture capitalists. You can secure capital through crowdsourcing. You can secure capital through initial coin offerings using cryptocurrency, and so on and so forth. Let's now go to the next and very exciting stage. This is called the scaling stage. Scaling is now about amplifying the scope and size of your market. It is about going 10x or even 100x. And typically, you scale your product by going to different markets or by reaching a large section of the market. And the scaling stage is where you need significant capital. That is where you normally approach a venture capitalist. And there are multiple stages here. You can do a Series A funding, a Series B funding, Series C funding, Series D funding, and so on and so forth. Typically, a Series A funding is a funding provided by venture capitalists. It's normally anything from $4 million US. And venture capitalists come into the game only when you want to scale your business. And what do you mean by Series A, B, C, D? Very simple. They just mean different scales of funding. Series A is about 4 to 7 million. Series B is anything from 7 million to 12 million. Series C can go from 15 to 20 million. And Series D can be 30 to 40 million. Now, what is the right kind of funding you need for your business depends on your goals, depends on the scale with which you plan to grow, depending on whether you're going national or whether you're growing international. Please do remember, scaling is about growing 10x or 100x and needs significant capital. The first three stages, which is learning, validating, and building, needs seed capital, needs angel investors, or needs funding from the owners. But growing and scaling needs serious capital, and it probably needs venture capitals to get into the game. And do remember, scaling and growing are very different. Growing is about predictable revenues. It's about incremental expansion. But scaling is about amplifying the scope of the business, the scale of the business, and the size of the business. So these are the 5 stages that any startup needs to go through. And what is very important for an entrepreneur is to understand the goals, the purpose, and the objective of each of these stages in a startup. And when you successfully navigate these different stages, you successfully scale your startup and become a big organization or business. And also do remember that it's only in the first 3 phases or steps most startups end up failing. When you manage to navigate the first 3 stages, you are already on the road to success.